Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix Apple ID review and complete purchase method. First, you verify your Apple ID on your iPhone and confirm the trusted phone number. Enter the code here. Now it will take some wait for a few seconds. Guys, please watch this video till the end so that you can know the method. Enter the passcode here. Tap on Media and Purchases. Now go back to the home screen and open the App Store on iPhone. Tap on Continue. Tap on search bar and get anything to download. For example, get the Facebook. Enter the Apple ID password and sign in. As you can see, he's asking review, so start doing review. Just tap the review. Turn on terms and conditions and then tap next. As you can see that the first 3 lines have the same name written, street, so you also have to write the same street name in all 3 lines. And in the 4th line, write the name of the city. And in the 5th line, write the city postal code. And in the last line you have to write your mobile number. Now done the review and tap next. That's it. Hope this video helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.